Mailchimp versus ConvertKit, which is best for email marketing? This is a question a lot of marketers ask when trying to decide which platform to use. I'm going to break down the differences between these two powerful tools, and by the end of this video, I'll give you the best option, along with a little-known alternative you may want to consider. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk about Mailchimp. It's one of the most popular email marketing platforms around, and it's been around for a long time. It's great for beginners due to its easy-to-use interface and tons of templates. Mailchimp also offers a free plan, which is a huge plus for small businesses or anyone just starting with email marketing. However, it has limitations in terms of the features available on that free plan. You'll get basic email automation, but you're missing out on more advanced features like A/B testing, segmentation, and advanced reporting. Next thing, let's get into ConvertKit. ConvertKit is another big player in the email marketing world. It's built specifically for creators, bloggers, YouTubers, course creators, you name it. It shines when it comes to automation and segmentation. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, which makes it perfect for people who don't want to waste time learning complicated tools. But here's the catch, it's more expensive than Mailchimp, especially if you want to unlock all the features. The free plan on ConvertKit is much more limited compared to Mailchimp's, and you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan sooner. Now, the third thing I want to point out is their customer support. Mailchimp support is decent, but can be a bit slow at times, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. You might get frustrated when you need help fast. ConvertKit, on the other hand, has a reputation for more responsive support, and it's something users really appreciate, especially when you're paying a premium. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Mailchimp offers a ton of integrations with other tools, including e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it a solid choice if you're running an online store. ConvertKit, while it does integrate with a good number of tools, doesn't have quite as many options as Mailchimp. If you're heavily invested in e-commerce or other niche tools, Mailchimp might have the edge here. Now, let's talk about the overall pricing. Mailchimp is relatively affordable, and if you're starting small, their free plan could get you a long way. But if you start expanding your email list, the pricing quickly increases. ConvertKit is more expensive, but it offers better automation features and is designed for those who need more advanced tools, especially creators. So, if you're looking for something that can scale with your business and offer more robust features, you may want to consider spending more on ConvertKit. The last thing I want to mention is the bottom line. Both of these tools are great, but neither is perfect. If you're just starting and need a basic email solution with a free plan, Mailchimp might be the best fit. However, if you're a creator or you need advanced automation and segmentation, ConvertKit might be worth the extra cost. But here's the thing, I've tried all of these myself, and there's actually a better alternative out there that's more efficient and cost-effective for your email marketing goals. If you want to learn more about that, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description for a free trial, exclusive benefits, and access to the best email marketing solution. So, while Mailchimp and ConvertKit are solid choices, if you want a more powerful, easy to use, and affordable option, take advantage of the link in the description and try it for yourself.